Today is my second video looking at the Supercheap Auto Tool Pro Work Light range. We're looking at the multifunction inspection light kit. So the premise of the kit today is a multi-piece system. You get your one common battery with the light switch, magnet on the back, micro USB charging, and a very good quick release fitting. Just like the other light, this comes with a Cobb chip-on-board LED fitting, flexible in those directions, with an O-ring and the electrical connection. This one is the torch, normal style of torch attachment with a focusable beam, O-ring, electrical fitting, same as the other one. And here's a much longer inspection light. Same system to fit to the battery. You can see the size of that end is much smaller, and once again a focusable beam. Comes with this hook attachment for the battery, two strong magnets on the back, a swivel indented hook that just clips on this battery pack. I'll show you shortly how handy that is. Comes with a micro USB cable if you don't have one. We've all got those. Normal 5-volt USB supply will charge this, they say, in about 3.5 hours. I haven't had to charge for 3.5 hours because the nature of the lithium ion battery being so efficient and LED technology, I've never run it down. I've been using this kit for about a month or two. Same as the other one. I don't review anything unless I've had a decent run at it using it, and very impressed. Comes with this bag which has got the slots for each piece and a sleeve internal. Good canvas bag. If you're in the store looking at want to find this piece in the store, this is the display box it comes in. Explains all the run time and battery life on the back of it. Let's look at some applications of this light. So here's the Cobb LED in an overhead style arrangement. Can't really tell the lighting in here because it is really bright, but that light is very bright. But there's your functionality from facing down, sideways to up. And here's that same Cobb LED using the magnet bracket on the battery. You can hear that's quite strong. Got your adjustability there. And here's an application for the magnet bracket on the side face of some steel with the flexible work light. Two light settings, focusable beam. Really handy. Here's that same spot with very little light on in the shed. Focusable beam, spread out wide, off, low beam. You can just see the frequency of the LED, that's just the way it is. It's only showing up in the video, that doesn't show up in real life. Super bright for a tiny little beam. Here is the bigger torch head in the same spot. Can really focus it down to a narrow beam or out wider, way wider than the small work light. But all your light settings. Very broad beam This is everything held in place in the bag. All nice and neat, ready to go. Good quality zip with a handle. Very good. Thanks for watching. Check out my other videos. Catch you later.